Oh, hi there. My name is Tyson Daniels, President and CEO of Polymer Contours. Let me introduce you to the magic of manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Cassie, Quality Manager. And remember, quality is everything. Hold on, you got a smudge. Let me get that for you.
Hi, my name is Steven, and we're partnering with Northampton Area Middle School to show the magic of manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Anmar. I'm a machine operator, and I box the magic.
Polymer Contours is a custom injection molding company in Allentown, Pennsylvania. And what injection molding is a process of taking a pellet, warming it up to a certain temperature, and injecting it into a steel mold to form a part. This spoon, that is actually for Five Guys. So if you were to go to Five Guys anywhere in the world and it had mayo on your hamburger, this spoon is the spoon that they use to put the mayo on.
The coolest and most magical part of my job is
Seeing how finished products start off.
Seeing the development of the team,
solving problems.
people that come in every day and work hard.
Every day is a new challenge and a new opportunity.
I have to say, that's probably the coolest and the most magical.
I first became enchanted with manufacture when I
Created my own anti-theft device, and that's what led me to manufacturing.
When I saw a molding tool, an injection mold, open and taken apart on the table.
When I kind of took the whole company in as a bigger picture.
and when I see the robot picking up the parts and put them in the boxes.
Manufacturing is an incredible career to get into.
Because we like to open up the minds of younger people to show them that there is a lot of opportunity to do pretty amazing things.
If you like fast-paced work environments, if you like solving problems, if you like being hands-on with your work,
There's a lot of things that can go into manufacturing. It's very versatile.
really figuring out a problem, figuring out how to make something better than it was before. Innovation is used at Polymer Contours every single day. It's always some new piece of equipment that's solving a problem for us.
Polymer Contours continues forging its way in one of the most difficult industries there is.
And that's what's so magical about manufacturing.